This film supplements the instructions for use and serves to aid understanding. This film is not a substitute for reading and understanding the instructions for use. It is also not a replacement for mandatory instructions or training courses. In the following, you will see how to correctly don the Dräger SPC 3700 and 4700 splash protection suit with the Dräger CVA 0700 cooling vest and components. The cooling vest includes the following components: vest, airline breathing apparatus with belt, blue connection hose. In addition to both products and their components, you will need the following: one of 3 types of compressed air supplies, one medium pressure hose to connect the compressed air supply. Please note that a second person is required to help put on the suit. First, make a visual inspection of the cooling vest components. Connect the blue hose to the cooling vest and then to the breathing apparatus airline. The connection will click into place. Depending on your height, you can also pull the belt of the airline breathing apparatus through the loops of the cooling vest and close the snaps. Put on the cooling vest and fasten the breathing apparatus airline around your hips. Close the buckle at your hip first, and then on the vest. Adjust the straps to your girth. When putting the suit on, make sure you position the breathing apparatus airline on your left side so that you can connect the hose for the compressed air supply to the cooling vest in the correct position. Lay the splash protection suit flat on the floor and visually inspect it. You can only put on the suit if it is free of any damage. Please note that different versions of SPC 3700 and 4700 are available. First, with integrated socks and anti-static sole. The safety shoes or boots are worn within the suit. Second, with integrated socks and drip cuffs. The safety shoes or boots are worn over the suit. There is only one aspect that differs when putting on the different versions of the suit. Open the protection suit. Step into the suit from the open zipper at the back with your safety boots or shoes on. First, insert the right leg and then the left leg. Open the protection suit. Step into the suit from the open zipper on the back with your shoes off. First, insert your right leg and then left leg. Pull the drip cuff upward and put your boot on over the suit. Pull the drip cuff over the boot. Guide the compressed air supply hose through the inlet channel into the protection suit and connect it to the breathing apparatus airline. Wrap the Velcro at the suit tightly around the hose end to seal the inlet channel. Insert your left arm into the left sleeve and glove of the suit. If needed, you can wear cotton gloves as undergloves. Do the same with your right arm into the right sleeve. Connect the hose to the external compressed air supply. The warning whistle must sound briefly while the pressure increases. You can open or close the zipper of the cooling vest to individually adjust back cooling. A second person should assist you. Place the hood over your head. A noticeable airflow should be felt alongside the back and within the hood. Have the zipper and the cover flap on the back closed by another person. Make sure that the Velcro strips are perfectly aligned and are not separated by the inner tab. If necessary, use overgloves. pull the gloves over the arm cuffs when wearing the version with cuffs. Take off the splash protection suit and cooling vest in reverse order. Please note that the compressed air supply may only be switched off after the zipper has been opened and the hood taken off.